Hello everyone and welcome to this comprehensive tutorial. Today we're diving into the detailed process of installing Ubuntu 22.04 from an ISO file. If you're new to Linux or looking to upgrade, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. To start our journey, head over to the official Ubuntu website at the link below. Here, you'll find the latest LTS version, which is Ubuntu 22.04. Download the ISO file by clicking on the respective link. This file is the heart of our installation, containing the entire operating system. Now that we have our ISO file, we need to turn it into a bootable USB drive. This is a crucial step as it allows us to install Ubuntu on our computer. For this, we'll be using a tool. If you're on Windows, Rufus is an excellent choice. For those on Windows, Mac, or Linux, Balena Etcher is versatile and user-friendly. Follow the instructions provided by the tool to select the Ubuntu ISO file and create the bootable USB drive. With the bootable USB drive in hand, it's time to boot from it. Insert the USB drive into the computer where you want to install Ubuntu. Now, restart your computer and enter the BIOS/UEFI settings. This is where the magic happens. Accessing the BIOS/UEFI settings might differ based on your computer's manufacturer, but it typically involves pressing a specific key during the initial boot process. Common keys include F2, F10, or Delaware. Once in the settings, navigate to the boot options and set the USB drive as the primary boot device. Save the changes and exit the BIOS/UEFI. With the USB drive still inserted, restart your computer. As it boots up, you'll see a menu. This is where you select Install Ubuntu to initiate the installation process. This is where the real excitement begins. As the Ubuntu installer kicks in, the first set of prompts will involve choosing your preferred language and keyboard layout. These settings help customize your Ubuntu experience, ensuring everything is tailored to your needs. Now comes a crucial decision: the installation type. Ubuntu provides options like Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu for a clean install, or something else for manual partitioning. For most users, the Erase Disk option is sufficient, wiping the disk clean and installing Ubuntu. If you have specific partitioning needs, something else allows for manual configuration. Press the Install button and continue. Now you need to choose where you are from and then press Continue. Time to personalize your Ubuntu experience. Enter your name, a computer name, a username, and a secure password. This user account will have administrative privileges, allowing you to make system changes and install software. With all the configurations in place, click Continue to kick off the installation process. The installer will start copying files to your hard drive. Depending on your computer's speed and the storage medium, this process might take some time. Grab a cup of coffee and enjoy the anticipation. Watch as the progress bar fills up. The installer will notify you once it's finished copying files. This stage is crucial as it sets up the core components of the Ubuntu operating system on your machine. With the installation complete, the system will prompt you to restart. Before doing so, remember to remove the USB drive to avoid booting back into the installer. This ensures that your system now boots from the internal drive where Ubuntu is installed. Once your computer restarts, you'll be greeted with the Ubuntu login screen. Enter the credentials you set up during the installation process to access your new Ubuntu system. Here, can you set up an online account if you prefer to do that? Right here is where you can install some default apps. To wrap things up, open a terminal. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This ensures your system is up to date with the latest security patches and software updates. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Ubuntu 22.04 on your computer. Congratulations on taking this step into the world of Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Happy exploring with your new Ubuntu system, and until next time, happy computing.
Walking